In fact, minorities, particularly Muslim minorities, and we have a great chunk of Muslim minorities in Bengal, they expected a lot from this state government, because with the fundamentalist, with the Jamiat Ulema Hind, Jamaat Islami, Muslim League, INL, all sorts of Muslim organizations coming together with Mamata Banerjee, given rise to this hope that the sense of deprivation was promoted after Sachar committee report came out, and saying that a great deal will be done by Mamata Banerjee. And Mamata Banerjee also posed herself as a savior of the Muslim minority with some outward dress code and some utterances, reciting some scriptures. But on the other hand, the Muslims in Bengal particularly are disillusioned. They are now not only skeptic, but they don't think that any justice can be done in this present region. The question of addressing the development deficiency in the minority concentrated areas, blocks or wards, municipal wards, now is in jeopardy. The no schemes are at the moment is at work. In fact, the centrally aided assisted programs also are now not being implemented, particularly the flagship program like MSDP, which the left after UPO1 was formed, got this scheme throughout the country after the Sachar committee report was placed. Now this MSDP scheme is not being implemented. West Bengal used to be #1 as far as Minorities Development Finance Corporation is concerned, to promote entrepreneurship among the young minorities, girls or boys, imparting them technical trainings and giving them small loans. That is program. For last 1 decade, we used to be #1 in the country in implementation of such scheme, central scheme. But now Bengal is receding, and the scheme is not being implemented. And now no such new schemes are coming up. So whatever promises he has made the people are expecting that nothing is going to happen. The expectation is also lost. So that's why this disenchantment among the Muslims are there. And I think it is good for them also, because they have expected a lot. Now they can see through the exact position of Mamata Banerjee, because apparently she is pro-Muslim, but actually she is carrying out indirectly the RSS projects and programs in Bengal.